Life is full of up and downs. So be strong and never give up. Today we are going to do numerical on chapter light, chapter 10.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Akad Shala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
Students, before starting the numerical today, I would like to say that while solving numerical, always be one step ahead. That is, always have sign conventions in mind while solving. That is really very important. So let's start with today's numerical. The numerical says an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a converging mirror of focal length 5 centimeter. Find the nature and position of the image. Try to understand the language of the numerical, what numerical is trying to tell you. Now in the numerical, we notice that in the numerical it's given converging mirror. That is, it means they converge at one point. That is, at one place. That is, rays at one place. Now this is very important to note while solving the numerical. We have to see the focal length, whether it is positive or negative. That is why we should know which mirror is this, which is telling in the numerical. Now we know the values which are given in the numerical, so we write that is u is 10 centimeter. And always remember, students, that u will always be negative, always and always. So with your eyes shut, always write down negative for u because it is on the left side. And f is negative over here according to the numerical because it is on the left according to the mirror which is given in the numerical, that is converging mirror. Now we have to find out the nature and the position according to the demand in the numerical. That is, they are trying to tell us indirectly, that is, we have to find out magnification. Now students, we know the formula. According to the sign conventions, everything we know it, and we know the formula also. The formula says 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Now we will quote the values over here. That is, f value is 5, but we will take with the negative sign. So 1 upon, that is minus 5, is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon 10. Why this minus has come? Because this minus plus is minus, so we write minus 1 upon 10. Then we will write down 1 upon 10. We will take this 1 upon 10 on this side, so it will become positive. So 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon v. Solve the numerical further and then we get the value as v is equal to minus 10 centimeter. So this is very important. While solving the numerical step by step, please keep on doing it. After this, children, we have to find out the magnification. So magnification formula says m is equal to minus v upon u. Quote the values, everything over here. Now this minus will remain as minus and we have the value of v as minus 10. So minus and in the bracket minus 10 upon minus 10. We will cancel minus 10 and we will get the answer as minus 1. That is m is equal to minus 1. Now the next step, very important, the concluding part of the numerical, we have to take care again. That is, we have to concentrate on the values. That is, what is m now? What the answer has come out for m, that is minus 1. Now for some time, we will concentrate only on the, that is, the value. We will not concentrate on the signs. We will concentrate on the value. That is, m value has come out to be 1. So if it is m is equal to 1 according to the rule, we will say that it is of the same size. So we will write over here the first point that it is of the same size. Now, the second step, we will see that m is having a negative sign. So negative sign means that is, it is inverted. This also we have done. Now, if it is inverted, again the third point automatically comes. If it is inverted, so it is real. Okay, the third point has also come, it is real. Now, to see the position, we see the values over here. Just see children here on the board, that is f is 5 and u is 10. That means it is telling you again indirectly in the numerical that the object is kept at a double distance from focal length. That is, it is kept at C. So immediately we will write the fourth point at C. So in this way, the numerical is done. So you have to follow step by step the numerical, what is given in the numerical, which kind of mirror, directly, indirectly given, so that you have to come out to be very positive and you should know that which mirror is there in the numerical. After that, according to the sign conventions, whatever you have done, according to the rule, please go further step by step and keep on solving. And of course, children, I'm sure the numerical will be in your hand with full marks. Step marking is always there in your board exams. Please take care, which I keep on telling you on and on. And this way the numerical is done. So I conclude today for this numerical. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless.